Hey everyone, Matt from Soundrolling.com here with the C70 from Canon. Two audio inputs. Should be noted that they're TA3. It's BNC for timecode, and this is mainly about all the timecode functionality. I've got the UltraSync 1 going into it, and so to find the menu, very easy, press the menu button, and then you have to scroll all the way to this section, so look out for the little kind of hand tool there, and then you'll get on page 3 the timecode settings. So you have preset or regen and all the common ones. So I usually set to preset and free run, and that's working really well. And obviously make sure that the timecode in or out is set to in, unless you're having it as the master for some reason. All the controls for the audio is on the back, which is nice, and this camera is also used on the gimbal quite a lot. So that's all.